Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a custom-sized design in Canva and get it ready for a perfect professional print. So whether you're making stickers, custom labels, or just want total control over your project's dimensions, by the end of this tutorial you'll know how to set everything up from scratch and export it in the best possible way. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, let's head on over to Canva. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do that now. Canva is such a versatile tool for design work. It doesn't matter if you're brand new or you've been using it for years, starting fresh is always the way to go. So once you're on the home page, look up at the top right corner for that big, colorful Create button. Go ahead and click it. This button is like the front door to all your design adventures on Canva. It opens up everything from social media templates to posters, but today we're making something totally customized. When you click Create, you'll see an option called Custom Size. This is where the magic happens. Type in the dimensions you want. In this case, let's set it to 100 by 100 pixels. You can always change the units if you're working in inches or millimeters, but for something like a digital sticker or label, pixels are usually perfect. Setting a custom size is super important because it ensures your final design fits exactly where you want it, without any weird cropping or resizing later on. So double-check those numbers, 100 by 100 px, then hit Create New Design. Canva will open up a fresh, blank canvas at the exact dimensions you entered. Now that you've got your tiny square canvas open, it's time to let your creativity take the driver's seat. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Elements tab. Click on that, and you'll see a whole world of graphics, shapes, and illustrations just waiting to be used. You can add basic shapes like circles or rectangles, fun graphics for your project, or even drag in photos. Let's say you're designing a custom label. Maybe start by adding a shape for the background, then layer in some decorative lines or icons. The idea here is to balance what looks visually appealing with the functionality of your label or print. Don't be afraid to try out a few different combinations. Sometimes the best designs come from a bit of experimentation. Once you're happy with the background and any icons or shapes you want to use, it's time to add text. This could be the label itself or a title for your sticker. Hit the text option on the side menu and choose from one of Canva's many fonts. Type in your label, adjust the size, and maybe tweak the color until it really pops against your chosen background. Don't worry if things aren't lining up perfectly at first. Canva has handy guides and snapping tools to help you center everything. With your design finished, let's get it ready for print. Up in the top right corner, you'll see the Share button. Click that and then look for Download. Here's an important detail. You want to select PDF print as your file type. This ensures the file comes out at the highest quality possible and is perfectly suited for printing, whether at home or through a professional print shop. Hit that download button, and just like that, your custom-sized design is ready to use. And that's it, you've just created a fully custom-sized project in Canva and prepped it for printing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share what you made, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future design tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.